Is oplesinam klar. Gelebt hela tjoy kapanatel skalt. Lem dat dupa kulin shooten. Lem am hulauch. Gelem tahan amich. Lem sewel. Is nak siltet. Our prayers for our beautiful land, our beautiful people in this way of life. Aha! Today, I'm here to represent the prayers from our ancestors, our elderly, our ancient ones from long ago in Nikum Kasapi. Right here on this Tamhula, as we come here to this beautiful lodge, and we think of our ancestors. We think of the stories, our chaptil, our creation of our people, our beautiful way of life, our kwelsten, our snichwam. Today, it's an honor to be here and represent that prayer from long ago. Nikum Kasapi. Our ancestors who've been here from the very beginning of time shared the way that they were taught from the Tamich and our Chaptilch, from our very creation of our people on these here lands. Our relationship with Tamhulach, or Tamich, our Marimsim, the plant medicines, or seawood, the water, the tamich that lives up here in these mountains, all around us. In our sacred connection, relationship to all life, to respect that life, to respect our creation stories that give us knowledge, wisdom, relationship, harmony and beauty, and the way that we live together in balance, together with all life. This is the knowledge that was passed down from the very beginning of time. Through our relationships that we understood, putan, respect, we learned the values, the power and the strength of all life. Every one of us have a strength. We have a mission and a purpose. Even the worm, even the bird and the fish, the skaniramin, the buttercup, the chiep, the trees, the intitiyich, the salmon, the skemchis, the bear, the melkanoops, the golden eagle. We understand that all life has values and meanings and purpose. We understand the 4 seasons, the 4 winds, the 4 sacred directions. in our relationship through our time here on this earth to abide by nature and the laws that were given to our people, what are referred to as our spiritual, natural laws. Our people reside within this circle of life, connected equally with all living things, to honor all life. We are no higher, no lower. We are all the same. This is the way Kulinchutin made our people to be, and we honor that sacred connection and balance. In understanding our sacred ways, we lived here peacefully with our relations, the other tribes up and down these rivers and these lakes that are our relatives, our Pisnaksil. And together we lived in a sacred balance because we had respect for one another. We honored them as they honored us. We didn't need jailhouses. We didn't need none of those things because we believed in honor and respect. We didn't need hospitals because our people knew the plant medicines that grew here abundantly. And we knew the natural health and vitality of the foods that grow here amongst us within the 4 seasons. And we traded with our brothers and our sisters, our relatives from many tribes up and down these rivers. Our children lived with happiness because as warriors, we were protectors of our people, protecting our women and the children, protecting our sacred lodges so our people could reside here peacefully. The elders could teach the children, our chaptilk, our tzikhan. They could teach them the language, the history, and the culture. And our women, our smamim, the backbone of our society that we held with high respect and honor. And our leaders and our warriors who devoted our lives to providing for our families. And so our way of life was everyone had a purpose and a mission. We worked together and lived together. We raised our children with love and peace and respect. In our homes, we also had love, peace, and respect in our homes. These are the things that our ceremonial lodges taught us how to be and to live. And through this, our people grew with great health and happiness. And the wisdom that was passed down from the very beginning of time. So our prayer here today is that our generations yet to come, our future generations, our youth, will never forget how beautiful they are. That they will never forget the beauty of their way of life. To learn their chapter, their creation stories. To learn their koelam, these pumins, these drums. To learn their healing songs. To go into the quailsten and the snichwam, the sweat lodges and our winter ceremonies, to take care of their spirit and find healing. And we pray, Kulinchutin, that our future generations will learn to stand with peace and harmony and respect for one another, to honor each other as brothers and sisters, to look after one another, take care of each other, as well as they learn to understand their relationship again to the plant life, to the animals, to the salmon, the roots and the berries, and all these things that reside here, that are here to be medicine for us, to be healing for us, to take care of us, in the places that we go to pray and take care of our spirit. So we will learn to walk upon Tamhulaf again, and that they will always remember us, their ancestors. They will always remember our sacrifice and our dedication to them, that we prayed for them 7 generations ago for their health, their happiness, their safety and well-being. We want them to live. We want them to remember our ways, so our ways will always live on. And this is my prayer today for future generations, to always remember where we come from, our very creation, a time that will teach them beauty, honor, courage, wisdom, truthfulness, respect. These are the things we want for our beautiful children. This is the things we want for our Tamhula, our Siwat, our Tamich, all the sacred things that are here upon this land. This is my prayer today for our young ones, to always remember you are loved. You will heal. You will become strong again. You will walk this path that your ancestors have walked upon, and we will be there with you. We will never leave you. We will always love you, and we will always want the best for you. So I want to say Lemlemt for being brave and strong, to live another day on the good red road, and to remember you are Skeluch, you are human being, and you are here for a reason, and we need you to live, be strong, and continue to walk in a good way. What peace nak siltet, we are all related. Aho.